diplomatic relations between I'd like to now invite Mr. Ashok Gupta, Secretary, Department of Defence Production, Ministry of Defence, and request him to kindly make the welcome address.
Honorable Minister for Defence, Finance and Corporate Affairs, Shri Arun Jaitley ji, Honorable Minister of Trade and Industry of Russian Federation, Mr. Manturov, dignitaries on the dais, senior officers of the Russian government, senior officers of the Ministry of Defence.
Публичным акционерным обществом Объединенная авиастроительная корпорация Москва, Российская Федерация.
Indians Corporation to sign this agreement.
Подписывается контракт на основные условия долгосрочного сотрудничества между корпорацией Hindustan Aeronautics Limited и акционерным обществом Объединенная двигателестроительная корпорация. От российской стороны подписывает генеральный директор ОДК Артюхов Александр Викторович. От компании ХАЛ подписывает председатель господин Суварна Раджу.
Thank you.
Russia Military Industrial Conference assumes a greater significance in the light of the historic relations and the 70 years of time-tested partnership between the two countries. Most of the Indian defense platforms are of Russian origin, and serviceability and after-sales support of these equipment have always been a point of discussion between the two sides at various levels. This conference is an attempt to strengthen cooperation and partnerships between Russian companies and Indian companies in order to ensure smooth after-sales support and serviceability of these platforms. Private industry in India is a relatively new entrant in defense sector. Under the Make in India initiative of the government, we have taken several policy and procedural measures to encourage private investment and entry of private sector in defense production. Though Russian OEMs so far have been largely dealing with public sector undertakings and Ordnance Factory Board, it is our endeavor to unleash the potential of private sector in the field of manufacturing and life cycle support. This conference is a unique opportunity where Indian and Russian defense industry are present in such a large number. It is extremely encouraging that about 100 industry representatives from Russia are participating in this conference. From the Indian side also, a very large contingent of Indian industry is present. We would welcome free and frank discussions on all relevant issues between Indian and Russian companies so that effective partnerships can be forged, thereby resulting in a win-win situation for both sides. I extend a very warm welcome to Honorable Minister of Defence, Finance and Corporate Affairs, Shri Arun Jaitley ji, who has consented to inaugurate this conference despite his extremely busy schedule. I also extend a very warm welcome to Honorable Minister of Industry and Trade of Russian Federation, Mr. Manturov, who has come all the way from Russia to jointly inaugurate this conference. His presence in this conference along with captains of Russian industry indicates sincerity and seriousness on the part of Russian government in this endeavor. I welcome the senior officers of the Russian Federation and the representatives transfer of technology and manufacturing under the Make in India initiative. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Gupta, for your very warm welcome address and also for giving us an insight into what the conference has to offer.